Oh, Amy, check out this cool video.
Ooh, let me see. Don't you want me to see the video?
I was just trying to show you.
Oh, let it go. Max, let me see the phone. I want to watch the video.
Oh, just watch from my hand.
What's going on? Max won't let me watch the video.
Yes, I am.
Don't worry, guys. I have a solution for that. All we need is sunglasses. First, put the suitcase in between you guys. Oh, okay. All right, what's next? Now you just take the sunglasses and place them on the suitcase. Place the sunglasses like so, and then put your phone in. Now you guys can enjoy your video together. Wow, thank you, Mia. Of course.
Oh, look.
What's wrong, Stacy? Oh, my feet hurt. Oh, your feet hurt? I know how to help. You just carry that around with you? Yeah, it'll help. Just use it. Okay. Oh, first I need to take off my shoes. The ball massages your feet and stretches it out to relieve foot pain. Wow, it worked! Thanks, Lily! I told you! Come on, we're almost at the tent. Okay, can I keep this? Yeah, I have another one. I think it's time for takeoff! Yay! Ow, my ears hurt! Oh, that's just the air pressure changing. Don't worry, I know what to do. Here, have this lollipop. Oh, what's this lollipop do? It'll help, trust me. Okay.
Sucking on a lollipop will help relieve the pressure in your ears.
Wow, it worked! Thanks, Ivy! Oh yeah, no problem. And it's delicious! Yeah. Oh look, it's the Crafty Tower!
Hi, I'd like to check in my bag, please.
Of course, sir. Do you know how much your bag weighs?
I don't know.
No worries, sir. I'll have you just weigh it on the scale for me.
Oh yeah, of course, no problem.
£177. That's gonna cost $100 extra.
What? $100? Oh, I know. I'll be right back.
Okay, where are you going, sir?
Oh, I'll just wear some of these shirts so I don't have to pay the overweight fee. All right, now to weigh my suitcase again.
Oh, hi, sir. Let's weigh your bag again.
Okay.
Oh, that works. You get a free check bag.
Yes. Oh, at least I'll be warm on the flight.
Yeah, have a great flight. Fly safe.
Thank you.
My back hurts.
Did you stretch before the flight?
No.
Well, I have a trick for that. Come on.
Wait, what?
All right, I'm gonna show you how to stretch. Just follow my lead.
Okay.
Yeah. Stretching helps relax the muscles before a flight. How do you feel?
I feel great. Thanks, Max.
All right, let's get back to the flight.
Oh, that was a good flight. Ooh, my bag. Oh, is that your bag? I'm so sorry. Oh, no, it's okay. Have a nice day. You too. Oh, this one must be mine. All right, time to get some work done. What? What are all these snacks? Where's my computer? Oh no, I must have picked up Lily's bag. Where's all my snacks? Why is there a laptop in my bag? Oh, I must have grabbed Mia. To help differentiate our bags, all we need are ribbons. Now that we got our ribbons, it's time to make a bow. Now that we have our ribbons, we can tell our bags apart. Wow, I love your bow. I love your pink. Thank you. I can't sleep. Why did I forget a pillow?
Oh, I know what'll help with that.
For a makeshift pillow, all we need is our sweaters. Now all we have to do is roll it up. See? Pillow. Let me try.
All right.
Ta-da! Let's get ready for bed. Okay.
I can't wait to start camping.
Me too.
Huh? Oh, there's a bunch of mosquitoes in our tent. What are we gonna do?
I have a solution. We just have to go home real quick.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. For insect repellent, all you need is some basil and lemongrass. Just chop up some lemongrass and some basil. Now you just add some herbs into some boiling water. Wait for it to cool and pour it into a spray bottle. Just screw on the top and here's your insect repellent.
All right, let's go get rid of those bugs.
Yeah!
All right, watch this. All right, that should get them.
Yeah, let's go get some firewood while we wait for them to leave.
All right.
Man, I can't wait to go camping. This is so exciting. I know, me too. But did you check the weather?
Nah, we'll be fine. Come on.
Oh no, Ivy, it's raining.
Guess I should have checked the weather.
I know, I don't want our shoes to get wet.
Wait, I know how to keep our feet dry. All we need is a candle and a blow dryer.
What's a candle and a blow dryer gonna do?
Just trust me. Take off your shoes.
Okay. Here you go. What are you gonna do?
First, I'm gonna roll the candle onto your shoes.
Okay.
Now, I'm gonna blow dry the bottom of your shoes. The wax and the heat will create a protective layer on the bottom of your shoes. Now your shoes are waterproof.
Awesome, thanks.
Yeah, let's go outside.
Okay. Hi everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel.
Click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.